Hey guys, welcome back to Fresh Picks, Ash Picks. I'm Bella, and let's see what deals are hitting this week. Bananas are 59 cents a pound right now. That is genuinely insane. Grab a few bunches. Customers ask me all the time. Yes, these are the good ones. Grab the ones that are still slightly green.
Okay, this granola right here, lasagnas. I literally eat this every single morning. And it's on sale. Store brand pasta. Same thing, half the price. I will die on this hill. It's freezing, but this lasagna feeds 4 people for under $8. Worth it. These little ones make my day every time, Tarnay. And hey, baby food is on sale down in aisle 7. Rotisserie chicken, $5.99. Hot, ready, delicious. I said what I said. Here's my final cart. Everything I showed you today. The total should be well under 30 bucks. That's your fresh pick for today. See you next time, guys. $50. Real healthy food. 1 full week. Let's prove it can be done. Eat the rainbow calm, and I mean actually eat it, not just photograph it for Instagram. High protein, low sugar, real ingredients. This one actually passed the Bella test.
This is genuinely my favorite part of the job here, helping people find the stuff that actually works.
Bulk oats, breakfast for 2 weeks. Under $3. This is not a drill. Canned beans are basically free protein. Grab every single one, I'm not joking. Ha! Wild salmon is a splurge, yes. But your brain and heart will genuinely thank you. She asked me about protein sources. I walked her straight to natural peanut butter. You're welcome. $4 to $7.12. Healthy food. 1 whole week. We actually did it. Healthy week officially unlocked. See you next, fresh pick. The snack aisle. My home, my paradise. Let's rate everything. Classic Lay's, 10 out of 10. 0 notes, the GOAT of chips. I have no idea what this flavor is supposed to be, but somehow it completely works. Try one, it's the best. Wow, you were right, this is actually amazing. Quick protein bar power ranking. You need this information before you spend $12 on the wrong one. Why is this back? Childhood just walked back into my life and I am not okay. Organization is a lifestyle. Some people don't understand it. That's fine. Regular versus gourmet caramel popcorn. Trick question, CAD. Both go in the cart every single time. I maybe slightly went overboard. Absolutely 0 regrets. This is a safe space. Snacks are secured. Mission is complete. See you next fresh pick.